Hello and welcome to GetAssist English, and in today's video I will tell you how you can add contact widget on your iPhone's home screen. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end. First of all, just tap and hold on the home screen until the apps and the widgets start floating. Then tap on plus icon, scroll the page and select contacts. Here you will be given several options for widget. Select the numbers of contacts you want on your home screen to be appeared and tap on the plus icon. Now tap on the contact widget and you can edit the contacts according to your choice. You can easily add or remove the contacts you want on your contact widget screen. Once done, you can conveniently just tap on these contacts and be able to call, message or FaceTime or even mail them. So if you found this hack very interesting and easy for you, please like our video, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.